Too many apps in your drawer? Here's a quick way to create folders and keep things neat. Just pick the apps you want, drag them together, and give your new folder a name. It's simple and works on any Android phone. Let's get started. Open File Manager on your phone. Install this launcher APK file. APK file link in video description. Open Lawnchair Launcher app. Press and hold on home screen to go to Home Settings. Set Lawnchair Launcher as your default launcher to click here. Select Lawnchair Launcher. Go to Launcher Home Settings. Go to App Drawer. Click on App Drawer Folders. Click on Create Folder. Set your folder name and click OK. Select Folder. Click on Manage Apps. Select apps that you want to keep in the folder and go back. If you want, you can create more folders by clicking here. Go to Home Screen and open App Drawer. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.